So this is the plumbing and the dual vanity. Underneath the dual vanity on the 390 RK. Coming from the basement, you have the rubber water, hot and cold. And it comes into here, and as this has been explained to me, because this is PEX and that's PEX, this is a PEX connector, and this is a brass PEX fitting on each end of that. So here we've taken off, this is going up to the faucet, that's a 1/2 inch, and this is a brass 1/2 inch. And the problem is the standard, you pick up a faucet from Home Depot or Lowe's, and it's going to have one of these 3/8 on it. And you know, that, try as you might, that ain't going to go in there. But by putting in this adapter, you'll have a 1/2 inch on that side, which I'm assuming is PEX, and then that is a pipe thread on this side, which will go up to the faucet. So that is going to hopefully solve all of our problems, because going from PEX to pipe thread, international pipe thread, is apparently that's the challenge. All right, so we're gonna put this together and see if it all fits in there. All right, so just so we know what we're working with, we just undid both the hot and the cold in there, and this goes up to here. And that's your standard faucet connection there. We'll undo the 2 Phillips head screws on the side, be able to loosen all of that up and remove that faucet. So I really liked these faucets originally, but what you see is just too much of that buildup over time. And you know, people talk about, well, you can jack it up on the back, but we have grown not to really enjoy these guys. It's pretty heavy, but again, we'll look at the bottom of this, and there's your 1/2 inch fitting, and then this is the one that we chose. It's a little bit lower end. It won't have the same sediment buildup on the end. And again, if you look at the fittings, 1/2 inch versus 3/8. So the challenge here was to get this 3/8 hooked up to the PEX that is underneath. So we'll be able to do that. We've got the old one out, and we'll put the new one in. So here we go with the connection. So here is the adapter, 3/8 male to a 1/2 inch PEX male. And yeah, I'm no no plumber, but Daddy always said, you got to put the Teflon tape on your connections, right? So whether it's needed or not, there's Teflon on both ends of that. I've got my hot, I've got my cold. Everything is tightened down. Funny thing, I don't know if it's a plumber thing or not, but both times I started undoing these 1/2 inch that was on there already, I was able to hand loosen them. So I don't know if that's a thing, you're supposed to hand tighten it or not, but that is not over tightened, but that is tightened on there. I'm gonna go turn my water on and see if I can get pressure. Faucet, a heck of a lot better flow than we had on the other one. Little brass adapter right in there.